back to my channel. It is October 28th now. I did not do a video yesterday because I was stuck in Lincoln City the entire day and I didn't have any Wi-Fi. Well, the Wi-Fi is just very, very poor. So I figured I would just put two videos together again today. They're both pretty similar as far as nature goes. So I'm doing Mother Nature right now, and then later you'll see. But so my Mother Nature costume, I already did my face like I have been doing. I curled my hair a little bit, and for the rest we're gonna go ahead and get started. I am going to add some, I guess we're gonna do like Pisces, like a goldy brown color to my eyes really quick. I don't think I've used this one yet. It's pretty subtle, but like, it's pretty still, so. With Mother Nature, natural colors are kind of like the way to go, in my opinion, and you know, the focus isn't gonna be the eyeshadow today. I will get to what the focus is gonna be, but first I'm gonna go put on my dress that I'm using for this costume because it's gonna make the whole makeup and everything a lot easier to do. Okay, so I have a white dress going on again today. As you can see, we have the really pretty flowers going on up through here, and it's just a really elegant dress, and I can't think of anyone really that's more elegant than Mother Nature. Just look outside, you know? Okay, so the reason I did that, I don't want to mess up the makeup that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to go ahead and start with the look that I'm going for. So I was thinking that I would do some flower petals on my face, and I'm going to use eyelash adhesive to do that. Okay, so there's the flower petals. Now I'm gonna add some ivy to my hair really quick. I'm just gonna do this one side. I think it looks pretty that way. And then I have some other ivy that I'm going to pin to my dress. With this, keep it simple, but still looks pretty, and yeah, I'm gonna go with a Mother Nature. So thank you guys so much for watching today, and I will see you in the next video.